smartphone maker is trying to do really cool things with video. We compared the slow motion video on 4 smartphones. Sony and Samsung have really upped the ante with super slow motion video, which captures 960 frames per second. And then the iPhone X and the Google Pixel 2 shoot regular slow motion video at 240 frames per second. We put each phone through 3 tests. The first was outdoors in natural light with water balloons exploding against stone steps. The next test was in an office environment with a mix of fluorescent lighting and some natural light, with a jack-in-the-box jumping out to terrify. The last test was a studio environment with eggs cracking against a platter under incandescent lights. What we discovered is that Samsung's Galaxy S9 and Sony's Xperia XZ1 do achieve extremely cool video effects when you shoot in super slow motion. However, you have to babysit these phones to capture the exact moment that you want to slow down. You can't just aim the camera anywhere and hope that it'll capture a quick movement. These cameras work best when an action is sustained and fast over a period of time. For capturing a one-time only egg being cracked, it didn't work. The iPhone X and Google Pixel 2 are able to capture slow motion for an entire period of time, so you don't have to tap the button exactly when you know the action will occur. That makes it a lot easier to shoot while you're out and about, and you can just point your camera, film, and be done with it. You're gonna capture something really cool. When we did manage to capture the action outside, the Xperia and the S9 both looked crisp and clear when we watched the videos. Indoors was a different story. Because you're capturing more frames per second, you need a lot more light than you do at a lower frame rate. So the videos that we shot with the Xperia and the S9 indoors looked a little grainy. The quality just wasn't as good as on the iPhone X and the Pixel 2. But if you do have ample lighting, the Galaxy S9 in particular creates incredibly dramatic effects, even though capturing what you want is a little trickier. So Sony's super slow motion is in 960 frames per second, which looks really cool, but it's impossible to capture the exact moment you want to slow down. Getting action in the frame, it just doesn't slow anything down until it's much too late and you've already missed what you wanted to shoot. So I would say the Xperia XZ1 is the most difficult slow motion mode to use. But stay tuned because Sony is about to release its Xperia XZ2, which has an upgraded super slow motion video feature that takes the resolution from 720p to 1080p. That's better than the S9's, and it should make Sony's videos a lot clearer and better to watch. So check back for that. I'm Caitlin McGarry with Tom's Guide.